बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईद रज़ा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3 in my school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn maths basics. In maths basics, we will see scientific notation series scales to conversion of standard form into scientific notation manual calculation from MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. Now only see and understood to me. Seven multiplied by 10 power 3. Zero 7.2. The zeros will be hidden. In previous video we hid it. Now so many zeros are hid now. Means I am writing down here 72 into 10. Now see, there is positive power and there is negative power. Why? That's why there are rules too. First, move the point between last two numbers. Second, check point goes to left positive power, to right negative power. Look, it is my right hand side and it is my left hand side. Now let's do this. The point comes on the right hand side. When to right positive power, to left positive power. Look, now it is coming to left. It means the positive power will become. Okay, I tell you now in previous video the plus is hidden and there is plus 2 hidden. I am showing it for you. Okay, now come to next. Look, now point is left hand side, to right positive. Now the point is going to right hand side. That's why the negative power will become. Okay, understood? No subscribe, no like, only share.